Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a fantastic product called Vendoo. Vendoo is a cutting-edge tool that helps users to manage and sell their products on multiple marketplaces in a single platform. It is a must-have for all those who want to expand their business and reach a wider audience. First, let's discuss the example of CapCut. CapCut is a popular video editing app that was recently listed on multiple platforms, including the App Store and Google Play. CapCut's success shows the potential of cross-listing when a product is listed on multiple marketplaces. It helps increase visibility and access to a wider audience. Vendoo is also similar to cross-listing, but it goes a step further. It allows users to list their products on multiple marketplaces in one place, saving them time and effort. With Vendoo, users can easily create and sell their products on popular platforms like Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and more. One of the key features of Vendoo is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to make selling products a breeze, with simple steps to create a store, add products, and sell them. Users can also access analytics to track their sales and sales trends, helping them improve their marketing strategies. In conclusion, Vendoo is an excellent tool for anyone looking to expand their business and sell their products on multiple marketplaces. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, Vendoo helps users to manage their sales and sales efficiently. If you haven't tried Vendoo yet, we highly recommend giving it a try. You might just find your next profitable venture. My link is in the description for Vendoo and you will receive 25% off. Thank you and please subscribe.